Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to my channel Yarn with Abarna. In this video tutorial I am going to show you how can we knit easy and fast cable stitch, because after this video I am going to make a baby sweater using this stitch. Only for that reason I make a separate video for this stitch. For this project I am using 4.5 mm knitting needle. Before going to this video tutorial, if you visit my channel first time means don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can see for this pattern I make 27 cast on. This 27 is used for, you can see this 27 is separate like 5 plus 5 plus 12 plus 5. This 12 is used for the cable pattern, cable stitch, and this 5 and this 5 is used for highlight the cable stitch, and this 5 is used for the button part. Only for that reason I am going to cast on 27. So first 5 is used for the button, this 5 and that 5 is used for highlight the cable stitch, this 12 is used for the cable stitch. Okay, let's start our project. First of all, we are going to make the rib part of the sweater. So, I simply make one knit stitch, one purl stitch. Continue this pattern for the right side. In the wrong side, I am going to continue like one purl, one knit. So, this is my right side. I make one knit stitch. Move to the second one. Make one purl stitch. Continue the same. Make one knit, one purl. Continue like this. And this row is end with a knit stitch. Now move to the even row. This is my wrong side of this project. So I am going to start one purl, one knit, one purl, one knit. I continue this pattern. If you are going to move your right side, this is my odd row, means make one knit, one purl. If you are working in even row, means one purl, one knit. Continue this pattern for 8 rows. Continue like this. If you are working odd row, like the first row, third row, fifth row, seventh row, means one knit, one purl. Even row means one purl, one knit. Continue this for 8 rows. After finishing my 8th row, I'll show you. You can see I finish 8 row of rib part. After finishing the 8th row, we are going to move our knitting stitch, that is cable stitch. For this I am using 5 for the button part. So you are going to mark the first 5 stitches. So that is very important. You can use this 5 stitches. I am using these 5 loops for the button part. So for the button part I simply make knit stitch. So I simply slip knitwise the first loop, in the second loop knit stitch, third loop knit stitch, fourth loop knit stitch, fifth loop knit stitch. After making 5, I simply mark using the stitch marker like this way. Now we are going to move our cable stitch. So for the cable stitch I am going to use the next 5 loops. For this 5 loops I am going to make purl stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 purl stitch, I am going to make 12 knit stitch. This 12 knit stitch used for the cable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and also 12. Now remaining I have 5 loops. In these 5 loops I am going to make 1 purl stitch in every loops like this way. So now after the rib part, row 1 is completed. Now we are going to move our next row, that is my second row. So in this row we simply make 5 purl, 12 knit stitch, 5 purl stitch. In my even row I am going to opposite to this row. So in this row I am going to make 5 knit, 12 purl and also 5 knit stitch. So move to the next one. So in this 5 I am I am going to make 5 pearl in my previous row. So in this row, I am going to make 5 knit stitch. So this is my first knit stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 knit stitch. After finishing the 5 knit stitch, I am going to make 12 purl stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and also 12. So remaining I have 5 loops. In this 5 loops I make 5 knit stitch. Now I reach the stitch marker. I replace the stitch marker. If you are going to work this 5 loops, always you are going to make knit stitch. So I simply make 5 knit stitch. For the clear edges, in the last loop, I simply make a purl stitch. So now your project is look like this. The pattern for this, if you are going to work your odd row, means you simply make 5 purl stitch, 12 knit stitch and also 5 purl stitch. Okay, if you are going to work in your even row, means in your even row you are going to work like 5 purl stitch, going to opposite for this. So 12 purl stitch, 5 knit stitch. You are going to continue this. If you are working in odd row, means 5 purl, 12 knit, 5 purl. If you are going to work in your even row, means 5 knit stitch, 12 purl stitch, 5 knit stitch. If you are going to continue the same for 8 rows. Okay, now I finish my second row. I am going to enter my third row. If you are reaching this 5, means you are going to always make 5 knit stitch in this 5 loops. Remaining you have 22. In this 22 loops you are going to follow this pattern. Only for this 22 you are going to follow that. In this 5 loops you simply make 1 knit stitch in every 5 loops. So after finishing 8 rows, I'll show you what are the next step for this project. Now I finish 8 rows. After finishing the 8th row, now we are going to work in our 9th row. For this you will need cable needle. This is the cable needle. So you can see this is the first 5 loops. This 5 loops is used for button part. So the first loop always slip like this way. Second knit stitch, third knit stitch, fourth knit stitch, fifth knit stitch. So I replace the marker. Now this is my 9th row. In my 9th row, this is the first 5 loops. This 5 loops is used for the purl stitch. So you are going to work in your odd row, means 5 purl. After that you are going to make 12 knit. This cable needle is used for this 12 knit stitch. Okay, in this 12 knit stitch we are going to use this cable needle. So this 5 purl is normal. After making the button, now I am going to make 5 purl stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to work in this 12 knit stitch. For this I am using cable needle. I simply slip the first 3 loops like this way. 1, 2 and then 3. After slip these 3 loops, I am going to like this way move the needle in my back like this. Now these 3 loops in my back. Now I am going to work the next 3 loops. In the next 3 loops I simply make 3 knit stitch. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 knit stitch, I am going to use these 3 loops. So I am going to move that 3 loops into my left hand needle. So you can see this is that 3 loops. I simply move these 3 loops in my left hand needle like this way. After moving like this, I am going to make one knit stitch in these 3 loops. 1, 2, then 3. Okay. After this, now I am going to move the next 3 loops in my cable needle. 1, 2, 3. Now the cable needle is in front of the project. I am not going to the back. I simply place in front of like this. Now I am going to make 3 knit stitch in the next 3 loops. 1, then 2, then 3. Now I am going to replace these 3 loops in my left hand needle. So now I simply make 3 knit stitch in these 3 loops. 1, 2, then 3. Now I used 12 loops. Now remaining I have 5 loops in this row. In this 5 loops I simply make 5 pole stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Now row 9 is completed. Now you have like the twister in this place. Now I am going to move our 10th row. For this 10th row I am going to continue the same. 10th row means this is my even row. So I simply follow 5 pole, 12, 5 knit, 12 pole, 5 knit. So I am going to continue like 5 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 12 pole stitch, 1, 2, 3, this is my 12th pole stitch, then make 5 knit stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I replace the marker, this is my button part, so I simply make 5 knit stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, for the clear edges, I simply make 1 pole stitch in the last loop. I simply make pole in last loop. I simply slip knitwise in the first loop. So it is helps for the clear edges. So row 10 is completed. Now we are going to move our 11th row. So now you get like this. Now you are going to move our 11th row. This is my odd row. So we are going to simply follow 5 pole, 12 knit, 5 pole. In my 12th row, you are going to follow 5 knit, 12 pole, 5 knit. You are going to continue the same for 18 rows. After 18th row, in your 19th row, you are going to follow the pattern for like this twister. For this, using the cable needle, you simply replace the first 3 loops. After the replace, you are going to place the needle, cable needle in your back side and make 3 knit stitch and then replace and make 3 knit stitch. After that, replace 3 loops in your cable needle. Place the cable needle in front of your project. Move to the next 3 loops, make 3 knit stitch, replace this, working in that, make 3 knit stitch. Continue the same what we did. You are going to continue this pattern for in your 19th row. So I simply continue the same for 8 rows. For example, I simply continue the same pattern for first row, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th row. I continue the same pattern for 8th row. After finishing the 8th row, in my 9th row only, I am going to make my cable stitch. Okay, after this I simply follow my 10th row. This is the pattern. So continue the same for 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17, 18 rows. So you are going to continue this pattern for 18 rows. After the 18th row, in your 19th row, you are going to follow the cable pattern. So after this, normal 20th row. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 also the normal pattern. In your 29th row, you are going to work in your cable stitch. This is the pattern for this stitch. After finishing this stitch, I'll show you